see, a vehicle passed by me with all the flood water, and now they are stranded as well. So it didn't do any good to go past me to do that. So I'm telling you, as people of Roswell and Chiapas County, if you do not need to be out driving, do not be out driving. You have to turn on your emergency flashers or you will get hit by a car. Turn on your emergency flashers. The red triangle button on your dashboard.
All right, here's a situation update. The back wall of the house is pretty sure it fell in. The car floated away. The inside of the house is a river. We're trapped on the front porch, and we have all the animals with us. There's Nikki. She has a cat right there. She has snakes in the backpack. We have both of our dogs. And then I have a cat on my back. And then that's the river. This is the front porch. And that's where we're at. We think it's receding because of that right there. We think we've hit the peak of it. Everything we own is gone.
I guess I'm not going that way. Holy moly, look at this. Roswell is flooded. Looks like there's a car stuck up there too.
The cloud bands of the system have caused cloudiness and rain in several states of Mexico and in Tamaulipas. It is expected that this Tuesday afternoon it will intensify and become Tropical Storm Alberto, with winds ranging between 63 and 118 km per hour. Regardless of their development, are essential in the face of the development of meteorological phenomena.